Now I want to explain you about an error like the duplicate key error while doing the CRUD operations using Django in MongoDB. So I already have a setup of Django in MongoDB, all these things, and if you don't know the setup, you can search about the CRUD operations using Django in MongoDB in YouTube. You will get a lot of videos about that. So, but every video showing that can we add data manually to our MongoDB without any predefined data. But in this video I will show you how can you add your predefined data like in a JSON file. You have already a JSON file defined, or someone gave you the data in the form of JSON file and you want to show that in a bar graph or any other thing, or you want to do CRUD operations using that data using the Django in MongoDB. I will show you how to do that. For normal data you can do it, but if a data which don't have any unique key like ID, it will become like it will give an error, it will return an error while doing the CRUD operation. So I will show you how to solve that error. So first thing I will do is I will run my server cd my app python.manage.py run server. Yeah, my server is running successfully here. I'll open my admin panel. Yeah, here I have the country data thing. So I don't have any data here and it is my database. So it is my database collection. I don't have anything as empty data. So if I want to add data manually, I can add here from here, but I have already a JSON file. I will show the JSON file. It is, yeah, it is. I have this JSON file and I have the data here, the country population. So it is basically a data which shows the population of every country. But yeah, I created this data just now. So this is not an accurate number. India and China are just close, and I don't know the populations of other countries. I just gave them some random numbers. So this is my data. So I want to do CRUD operations using this data. Like normal CRUD operations are like you see in YouTube, or they don't have any predefined data. They just do CRUD operations by adding the data manually one by one. So but I have the data here. I have the predefined JSON file here. This is a small data, but yeah, sometimes you might have very big data, about 1000 to 2000 3000 lines. So if you don't have any unique key in that data, it is very difficult to you to add unique key in every object. You cannot add manually. You can add manually, but it will take a lot of time and you might get confused after some time. So how to add how to add data manually, sorry, directly with just one program. How can we add a unique key into every object? I will show you how to add it. So I'll go minimize it. Yeah, I will open this in a Visual Studio Code. Yeah, here it is, this is my JSON file. So now if I add this directly to my MongoDB, add data import file, JSON, select a file. Now if I add this, see I'm getting the error here. Duplicate key error collection, dashboard country data. So see, here it is showing this ID as null. So I don't have any unique key in my data like ID. I have country and population section in every object. So these are all duplicate keys. The country and population are duplicate because I have this in every section. I have in every object. So I need any unique key to differentiate between every object. So I will delete this. So how to add those unique keys? So this is my data. I'll create a simple index.html file here, and I will give a empty paragraph name id data. That's it. Now don't touch this. Now go to script tag where array is equals to. Now in this array you just copy this JSON data and paste it here. So here it is, we define an array. So we have the array of objects here. So this is basically a JSON data, but yeah, this is the array of objects. So how can we like include ID field in every object? So for that we have to use a simple for loop for where ID equals to 0, ID less than array dot length ID plus plus arr ID equals to ID. Now I will run this in my empty paragraph with whose ID is data inner HTML JSON dot stringify array. Now I have done the live server. Yeah, see, I got the ID field here. The ID 0, ID 1, ID 2, ID 3, and ID 4. Yeah, I got 5 IDs for my 5 objects. Now I'll copy this. I'll copy this data and I will go to my JSON file. I'll remove this old data and I will paste the modified data and I'll just format the document. Right click on your mouse and format it. So this is my modified data. I have the ID field here, ID1, ID2, ID3, all these things. Now I will save this and I will go back. I will go back to my Mongodb database and I will add the file again. Once again I will try to add it. This is the file, it is the test. If I open and import, now you can see that 5 by 5 it is successfully imported 5 by 5 because I have 5 IDs for 5 objects, 5 different unique keys. So you can see here it imported everything. Like I have same country population in every object, but the difference is I have ID 0 and it is 1 and it is 2. So I have the unique ID in every collection, in every object. So now you can see in my MongoDB admin panel as well. See, I got those objects in my admin panel as well. If I open this, I will get the India. Yeah, see, India. Yeah, this is China. You got this, and now you can pass this data to your chart.js using the that you have many YouTube videos on that on creating the CRUD operations using Django and MongoDB. But this is a simple error that I faced during a project, so I just want to share this error with you. So this might be helpful to someone if they are doing the CRUD operations with a predefined data. So thank you for watching this. Share with your friends.